Goa has had a great past of football. Somewhere down the line, in between, things changed.
The most popular young lad we've got here.
Being a Goan, it runs in our blood to play football.
We are helping the community of Goa. We are helping the community of India.
It gives me a lot of enjoyment, a lot of pleasure to play this sport, and it keeps me happy. So this is how I grew my love for this sport.
Joshua De Silva, a sub turning into a super sub.
We are a sporting family, both dad and mom of Joshua. The elder brother, Sansu, is also into sport. And Aaron, who was with Sesa Football Academy.
SFA is a family. I feel it's a social project which Vedanta has taken. My grassroots were pretty average. I didn't have like the next level of training. Coach Charles, Coach Severin and Coach Agnel put in a lot of maturity in me.
Charles was also accompanied the Goa team at the Nationals in Santosh Trophy. He had Joshua also with him at the SFA.
So Joshua has done tremendous job. Even in Santosh Trophy also he has done very good, and I used him. I understood what Joshua wants from coaches and what I want from Joshua. That was better understanding, and that made us grow together.
That really boosted not only Joshua's own personal records and things, but also for the state of Goa and for the Sesa Football Academy in itself, that they ended up as runners-up in the Goa Professional League.
I remember the match against Vasco. We were struggling, we could not score. But when Joshua went inside, in 30 minutes, Joshua scored and we got a 3 points.
The highest goal scorer with 24 goals in 24 matches. Joshua De Silva once again.
I was keeping him on the bench, but it was a trump card for me, and I used to tell him every time that you are a Mercedes-Benz for me, and I will get you at certain time to use it on the road.
The ground staff, the cooks, the people who help us with everything. I have a great relationship with them, and yeah, it's fun most of the time.
When you get the right people, right environment, you get the right mentorship and all that, it really can change the face of many things. And that's what we've seen in Joshua as well as in the team, whether it was Goa at the Santosh Trophy or whether it was SFA, so and their performance.